Tu- 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 tu. Tu- 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 tu. Hello there.
I see a low poly sphere. Hello there. Is there anything you'd like me to help you with regarding the image?
Yeah, I would like to know how to extrude the faces where I am going to select one. Hold on. Hey.
To In Blender, you can extrude a face by selecting the face you want to extrude in edit mode, then pressing E on your keyboard, and then moving your mouse to define the extrusion distance. Does
Ye-
that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense, but I would like to extrude these faces according to where they are facing. As you can see, the faces are not really aligned horizontally or vertically, they're inclined somehow. How do I extrude them according to where they are actually facing?
To extrude faces along their individual normals in Blender, you can use the Extrude Individual option. Select all the faces you want to extrude, then press Alt plus E to open the Extrude menu, and choose Extrude Individual. After that, move your mouse to adjust the extrusion distance. Would you like a more detailed explanation or a demonstration of this technique?
Oh, I got it now. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day.
You're great. I'm glad I could help. Have a great day as well.